Are you someone that has ideas about building something for yourself, but you have a really hard time getting started because either you don't think you have the right tools, or maybe you don't have the right building or the right location to build stuff in, or maybe you don't think that you have the right skills that you need? Well, I hope that with this channel I can help you out with that. You see, I am starting over from scratch. I have no shop or any place to work from, and I am alone here in a new place, but all of my dreams are still alive. I have recently had a big reset in my life, but I refuse to let that stop me or to get me down or to keep me from getting back up and starting over again. So the way I see it, I have a perfect opportunity to share this all with you here on this channel and let you guys follow along and see how I get it done. So I have found a new place to live and start building a homestead, if you want to call it that, here in the middle of the Ozarks. I have a few acres here with an older single-wide mobile home. I have no shop, a handful of tools, no budget, but I have a head full of ideas and things that I want to build. But I also have a lifetime of teaching myself how to build things and to troubleshoot and repair things and how to get stuff done. It seems that I can never afford to buy anything new, so I'm always looking for the cheap stuff or something that's broken that needs repaired, or maybe there's an alternative method that I can figure out how to buy something and modify it to make it do the job I need to get done. So I will be tackling making a place to work out of, probably building a shop on a super tight budget. I'm sure I'll be doing some repairs on the trailer house as I need, but all along the way I will be searching for cheap methods to get things accomplished, buying some cheap tools that need repaired, or finding a way to get something inexpensive that I can modify to get the job done at hand. After I get myself situated, I plan on starting to work on this huge library of all of these things that I'd like to try to build for myself. So I hope with all of the things that I'm working on here, I can somehow inspire you to get started on your projects. Maybe if you follow along and see how I get my things accomplished, you can learn a new skill or two, show you how to make some tools for yourself, or maybe you can point out how I'm doing things wrong and give me some ideas along the way. But in the end, I hope you work on your ideas and maybe we can get something accomplished together. So this is where I thank you for watching and remind you about the little subscribe thing and then the ring the bell so that you get notified of my new videos when I post them. And if for some reason you think that this might be worth sharing to some of your friends, hit the like button because that lets YouTube's algorithms know that my content is worth sharing. Wait till this car goes by. Good Lord. You would think it's Monday with this many cars going by. Good Lord. So I will be tackling making a place to work. So I hope with, and in the meantime, you can get started on yours and make your dreams start. This is where I thank you, and you know, if you think that my channel is something that some of your friends might be able to